Allow me to read this to you. Are you using old strategies in a new season? Allow me to read this to you. Are you using an old strategy for a new season? If so, you will receive unsatisfactory results. Solution? I'm about to tell you, so stay tuned. I say, show me. Have you ever used an old strategy to get a new result? It didn't work, did it? In fact, it was frustrating, wasn't it? It's sort of like putting your adult feet into baby shoes. It's not going to work. In the same way, if you want to get your desired results, you're going to have to up your game. You're going to have to do something different, and it's going to change you as well as those around you. You've got to update your skill level. You have to update your relationships and your mission statement. Now, in order to do this, you have to know what you want. In order to do this, you have to ask yourself, what is my desired results? What are the results that I desire in my lifetime? What do I desire today? For example, I desire to be fit. I desire to be strong. I desire to be healthy. Guess what? What are you doing to counteract that? What are you doing to not be healthy, to not be fit and in shape? You see where I'm going with this? That's uncomfortable. Why? Because we are creatures of habit. We develop habits over time, and we don't even realize it. And then we have this fallacy, this lie that we actually believe. You ever believe a lie? When you think about it, it's pretty stupid, eh? We learn by repetition. When we repeat something over and over again, we develop a habit or a comfort zone. It's sort of like a fog that comes over the grass in the morning. And just as mysteriously as it comes in, it drifts out. You don't want to be a drifter, do you? I know you don't. Because you can't walk in baby shoes when you're not a baby anymore. Now here's a perfect practical example of what I'm talking about. But before I give you this perfect example, I'm going to tell you this. Many times we want big results, huge results, gigantic results, spiritually, physically, mentally, emotionally, financially. We want it all. However, we miss the fact that change is one step at a time, one solid, detailed step at a time. You have to walk before you run. No, wait a minute. You have to crawl before you walk, and walk before you run. Otherwise, your results will come up like pyrite, fake gold. Oh, you'll look good on the outside, but inside where it really counts, you'll know the truth. One step at a time. For example, York peppermint patties. I love York peppermint patties. I enjoy them very much. I don't really love them. However, I know me, and I have a big gift. I have a big package here from Christmas. If I would just eat all of these in one day, number one, I would be sick to my stomach. Number two, or if I made this a diet, 1 a day, 2 a day, 3 a day, 4 a day, my body would not be happy with me. And I would not be happy with myself because of the results that I get when I look in the mirror. Oh, we can deny things, but that does not mean that we're not drowning in denial. So if you want results, desired results in your life, in your relationships, in every part of your lifetime, you have to be conscious of what you're doing step by step. And only you can do that. This is just a short video, and hopefully it's waking you up. Everybody needs a wake-up call. So what's your strategy for 2024? Actually, what's your strategy for today? Because I got news for you. New Year's resolutions don't work. They don't. They might work until March, but you have a whole life ahead of you. What is your strategy? Do you need help making a strategy for the desired results in your life? I can help you. DavidThompsonCoaching.co, DavidThompsonCoaching.co. Write to me at David@DavidThompsonCoaching.co. And remember, take one step at a time, starting now.